Today we're taking a look at the 3945S 2G hook backpack panel. Now this panel will work with any of our 2 or 3 hook harnesses. So the LLC, the Search Dog harness, and the Recall harness are all ones that this harness works with. And as you can see, this is from the bottom up. It's about 3 inches deep at the deepest point, and it's shaped as a teardrop, so the load actually works its way to the bottom, because we want to keep the load to as far to the bottom as we possibly can. And that's 3 inches deep, as you can see, and 7 inches tall. Now it tapers to the bottom, zipper to the bottom. What that does for us, it allows a better range of motion, so we can get more stuff in it, and the heavy stuff kind of sifts to the bottom, which we can keep the load balanced a lot better that way. So you can see here it comes on and off pretty easy. You unclip a Fastex buckle on the bottom, unhook the 2G hooks to the top from the loops, and poof, it's off. Same thing on the other side. Harness goes back on the same way. You hook the 2G hooks into the loops, you clip the Fastex buckle on the bottom, and you're off and going again. That's the slick thing about the whole modular harness system. Now what you're seeing here is about an 18-month-old dog, so a young dog at least in the head, and the LLC harness, which is a 3G hook harness. Now I've also been using this on the Search Dog harness with about a 6-month-old dog. It's about 45 pounds. It's working really slick, and part of the reason I'm doing that, there's 3 or 4 reasons or places that I use a backpack within my training. One is for body awareness. It teaches the dog where a body is, especially if you kind of have big hawed dogs that are a little clumsy. The more that they become aware of their body past their front legs, the more agile they become, the easier they are to deal with, especially in the house and things like that. Getting in and out of cars, they don't bump into things near as much, and they're not as apt to tear themselves up. So the better body awareness they have, the better off we are. They know where more than just their front legs are. The other thing I do is a lot of conditioning stuff. I take my dogs out for a walk, I play ball, throw the backpack on, it's got a little weight in it, I take them out and I play with them. From there, if we do any hiking or we do a lot of paddling, I'll take the dog, carry his own load. I'll put his backpack on, and he'll carry his water in a collapsible dog bowl, that sort of thing. On that 45-pound dog, the Search Dog harness I've been using is actually a slightly modified version to fit her. I had to scale it back a little bit, and we're going to see that coming out later this year, 2011 here. It has been pretty handy for those things. Works great as a backpack. It's a good conditioning piece, teaches body awareness, and it's a nice add-on to a harness that you already have, or assuming you already have this harness. It's a nice add-on piece that you can use a bunch of different ways, and it'll cross over on different harnesses, so you can use it with different dogs. Pretty handy piece of training equipment to have around. And I think that's all I've got on the backpack. This is the 2G hook 3945S from Signature Canine and Ray Allen. Taking the time to check it out.